Welcome back to my channel. Here I'll be showing you how you can apply the principle of tangency 1 to connect two lines together which are inclined at an angle 80 degrees to each other. We are going to make use of an arc or a curve that will connect two lines that are inclined at an angle of 80 degrees to each other. So let's see how this can be done. So the first thing to do is for me to draw a horizontal line. Okay, so we have horizontal line of any length, so P is okay for me. Then I will take my protractor, so put it at this point here. So I place at this point, so the 90-degree line is at a point on the end of the line here. So then the horizontal line is here. So as I set it here, so I will take angle 80 degrees. So I'm reading it from the right side. So this is angle 80 degree here. Okay, so then I'm going to join the end of this line, so this point. So I'm going to join this point and this point together like this. All right, so the angle between them is 80 degrees. So the next thing I'm going to do is to draw a perpendicular line to this line, a line that will be at a right angle to this line. So to do that, I also need to make use of my protractor. So I will set my protractor at this point like this. Okay, then so this is 90, so this is 90 degree. Okay, so we have the point here. So I'm going to connect this together, this point together with a center line. Okay, all right, this is okay, this is okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is to take the measurement of the radius that we are going to use to draw the arc that will connect the two lines together. So I'm using a radius of 20 millimeters. So I will take a measurement of 20 millimeters on this line. So this is 20 millimeters here. This is 20 millimeters. So the next thing I'm going to do is to take my set square. So I set the set square on this line. On this line, what I want to do is to draw a parallel line to this line at that point where we have 20 millimeters. So I set it like this, and I will move the set square to this point where we have 20 millimeters. Then I will draw a center line like this. So this line is parallel to this line. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I will draw a vertical line at the end of this line. Draw a vertical line at the end of this horizontal line, so a vertical center line. So on this line, I will also take a measurement of 20 millimeters up. 20 millimeters up. So this is 20 millimeters here. So I will draw horizontal center line from here. All right, so now these lines, they intersect at this point. They intersect at this point, so I will call it point P. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to take my compass. I'll put the pinpoint at point P here, and I will extend it to this point or to this point, anyone that I like. So I'm extending it here. So putting the pinpoint at point P and extend this to this point here. Okay, so then I can draw an arc. Okay. All right, so that's it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to blend them together to make them of the same thickness so that they will be uniform. So I make this line a thick line. I will also make this a thick line. Alright, so in case we are asked to indicate the point of tangency on our drawing, so this point, so where the arc touches this line is the point of tangency, so we use capital letter T to indicate that, and also this point here is also the point of tangency. This point here, the point of tangency, so I put capital letter T there. Okay, so alright, so this is how you can connect two lines together with a curve by applying the principle of tangency 1. Thank you and keep on practicing.